afternoon, Rasmitadila. Welcome to the chat session.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much for giving us consent and congratulations on being our eminent person.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we'll start with your brief introduction.
Okay. Hello, I am Rasmitadila, and now I am as a researcher and a lecturer in Universitas Juanda Bogor, Indonesia. The information, about the, it's just about academic profile. I am a lecturer in elementary school teachers of education, and now I have research in the inclusive education. That's my passion, and for now I have a research about the thing about the inclusive education for elementary school.
Testing times during the COVID pandemic, you still continued your research. What was the motivation behind it?
Yes, actually my research is a series of studies that have been carried in previous years. I strive so that the result of this research can immediately be recommended and contribute positively to all education stakeholders around the world. I hope so, especially in Indonesia, because inclusive education in Indonesia is still undeveloped. So I think that I need to make a recommendation to Indonesian government, schools, parents, communities, or maybe independent institutions. So with this research, I think that I have to focus on development in inclusive in Indonesia. So although there are limitations because in COVID-19 has hit the world, including Indonesia, but thank you for the information technology. It doesn't reduce the quality of my research and participation in conference. I hope that by attending the conference with participants from many countries, I will get positive input from various researchers in the field of education.
Thanks so much, and we do hope your research reaches the correct people and correct platforms.
Yes.
So next I would like to know whether what was the difference between online and physical conferences that you understood?
Actually, I have attended the conference 2 times organized by TIRA. There are differences that cannot be compared to attending a physical and online. Physically, I can meet face-to-face with the participant, discuss well in groups, of course, and provide more in-depth discussion result among group members. Meanwhile, if online, like a previous, when I attended in online, there are maybe some problems faced the researchers or participants, like signal problems, or different in conference time cause a slight disturbance in understanding the topic being discussed. So sometimes discussions are more one way and less in depth than physically.
For your opinions, moving forward, would you suggest your friends and colleagues for either physical or online conferences?
Of course. In the previous conference that I have attended in Istanbul, at this conference, I have suggested to my friend to join the conference. I told my colleague that when an online conference doesn't reduce the quality of the conference, quality of the conference or quality of the research and the publication, of course, that will be obtained. On the other hand, it saves on maybe travel costs and conference costs, of course.
All right. So, any feedback or suggestions for our conferences to better it?
Yes, in my opinion, this conference very focused in education. So it's easier to understand the research topic than other participants who are in the same focus. In addition, there are positive impact for researchers by having discussion with the different topics in the different conference every year, I think, and getting links to be able to collaborate in research. Just like a publication provides, maybe journals also provide convenient for a participant in publishing the manuscript or articles so that they can support academic performance and careers. I hope so.
Thank you so much for this session, and thank you so much for your opinions and feedback. And hope to hear from you soon. Hope to see you in our future conferences as well.
Thank you. Most welcome.